why I am already planning my next Enjo Nature Farm retreat, the Cederberg. Even the name sounds ancient: rock and silence, space to breathe. Last week I spent time there, at Enjo Nature Farm, and something shifted inside me. The silence there isn't empty. It's full of peace. It's a silence that wraps around you gently. It softens your thoughts. It calms your nervous system. It reminds you that you're part of something bigger. Time feels different at Enjo. Slower, more kind. It's like the world presses pause, and for a while, all that matters is this moment, this breath, this place. Every morning, I woke up to birdsong, not just one or two, but a chorus. There are about 123 different bird species in the area, and you can feel it. Their music is everywhere. It's gentle, like being held. It soothed something in me that I hadn't realized was tense. At night, the stars came out in full glory. The sky is so dark there, so clear, the Milky Way looks close enough to touch. And in that vast silence, under that sky, you can feel how small you are, but not in a lonely way, in a connected way. One afternoon, I sat quietly in the shade, and a little mouse came out from the stillness. It moved slowly, carefully, watching me. I offered it some birdseed. It came a little closer, and in that small moment, something big happened inside me. I felt seen. I felt part of this place. That tiny heartbeat, so fragile and alive, reminded me of my own. The moment was simple, just me and the mouse, but it touched something deep, like we shared a secret, that life is delicate and full of wonder if you just stop to notice. Enjo Nature Farm isn't just a beautiful place, it's something more. It's a reminder of who you are when everything else falls away, of how healing silence can be, of how connected we still are to the world around us, to birds, to stars, to tiny mice. That's why I'm already planning to go back, because some places don't just give you rest, they give you back to yourself.